Design and construction. The Poco X6 Pro features a plastic frame and is crafted from two distinct materials, depending on the variant you choose. The black and gray models sport a plastic back panel, whereas the yellow variant boasts a vegan leather rear. The camera module showcases a marble design and protrudes slightly from the body, prominently displaying Poco's logo. To safeguard against scratches and damage, the device comes bundled with a rubber case. Additionally, a 67W charging brick is included for fast charging. The X6 Pro is also certified with IP54 splash-proof protection. In terms of connectivity, the device offers a volume rocker and power buttons on the right side, along with a USB Type-C port and dual SIM card tray at the bottom. One of the speakers is also located at the bottom, while the top side houses the other speaker and an IR blaster. Despite its robust features, the X6 Pro remains lightweight and ergonomic, ensuring easy access to buttons and effortless navigation with just one hand. Even users with smaller hands will find no difficulty operating the X6 Pro single-handedly or with both hands, which is a notable advantage. Display, multimedia, and biometrics. The X6 Pro boasts a 6.67-inch crystal res 1.5K Flow AMOLED dot display, offering a stunning visual experience with its up to 120 Hz refresh rate. With a peak brightness of 1800 nits and Corning Gorilla Glass 5 protection, rest assured you'll enjoy clear visibility even in bright conditions. When it comes to multimedia consumption, the device excels without any drawbacks. Thanks to Dolby Vision technology, colors are vibrant and true to life, enhancing your viewing pleasure. The ultra-thin bezels further contribute to an immersive display, ensuring minimal distraction. In terms of audio, the X6 Pro features dual stereo speakers that deliver impressive volume levels. With such powerful sound output, I seldom find the need to max out the volume setting, as the clarity remains exceptional. Combined with its high refresh rate, the X6 Pro offers a truly exceptional viewing experience. Performance. Fueling the device is a MediaTek Dimensity 8300 Ultra processor paired with a Mali G615 GPU. Unveiled in November 2023, this chipset utilizes cutting-edge 4-nanometer process technology and comprises one Cortex-A715 core, clocked at 3,350 MHz, 3 Cortex-A755 cores reaching a maximum speed of 3,200 MHz, and 4 Cortex-A510 cores running at 2,200 MHz. Our configuration boasts 12 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and 512 GB of UFS 4.0 storage, while an alternative 8 GB plus 256 GB variant is also available. For users requiring additional RAM beyond the 12 GB capacity, Memory Extension 3.0 offers up to 8 GB of virtual RAM. Moreover, options for 4 GB or 6 GB of virtual RAM are also at your disposal. I've tested Genshin Impact and Honkai Star Rail on this device, and it effortlessly handles both games on very high settings. While occasional stutters may occur, activating the Game Turbo feature resolves this issue. Game Turbo optimizes the CPU and GPU performance specifically for gaming, significantly reducing lag and ensuring a seamless gaming experience. However, it's worth noting that enhanced performance comes at a price. The device tends to heat up quickly when Game Turbo is enabled. Even without Game Turbo, the X6 Pro exhibits noticeable warmth during prolonged usage. Though not uncomfortably hot to the touch, it's certainly noticeable. Cameras. Transitioning to the camera department, the Poco X6 Pro boasts a triple rear camera configuration comprising a 64MP primary camera with integrated optical image stabilization, an 8MP ultra-wide lens, and a 2MP macro lens. It excels in capturing intricate details on subjects, a feature I particularly admire. The cameras perform admirably in well-lit environments, albeit exhibiting a slight decline in quality in dimmer settings. The color reproduction tends to lean towards oversaturation, a personal preference that may not suit everyone. Additionally, skin tones appear somewhat washed out in certain conditions with the front camera, while colors appear excessively vibrant and intense post-processing. Nevertheless, credit must be given to Poco for the engaging photography experience and the ability to capture fine details in both photos and videos. These are solely my observations and impressions. Feel free to peruse our sample shots to form your own judgment. OS, Apps and UI. The Poco X6 Pro operates on Xiaomi's HyperOS, a derivative of Android 14. It shares similarities with the familiar MIUI interface, ensuring a seamless navigation experience for users. I must mention the presence of numerous pre-installed apps, commonly referred to as bloatware, which is typical for Xiaomi devices. While they can be uninstalled, it's important to acknowledge their presence upon initial setup of the X6 Pro. However, I find it difficult to fault HyperOS entirely, as it offers a plethora of subtle yet impressive features. For instance, you now have the ability to swiftly change the lock screen theme by long pressing the screen. This action triggers a menu displaying various themes that can be personalized with your own images. Another noteworthy feature is the capability to effortlessly isolate subjects in photos, provided they are sharply focused. This feature is particularly handy for photo editing purposes. Furthermore, HyperOS introduces an X-axis linear vibration motor, a heart rate monitor, enhanced split-screen options, and second space functionality, reminiscent of having two distinct devices within one. Although second space was available in MIUI 10, its inclusion in HyperOS is appreciated. For individuals like myself seeking separate work and personal environments, second space allows for a seamless transition between profiles with distinct apps, passwords, and customization settings. It's worth noting that running multiple applications concurrently may lead to increased device temperature. Additionally, utilizing second space may marginally impact the X6 Pro's battery life. However, this leads us to the next topic: battery performance. Battery and connectivity. The Poco X6 Pro operates on a 5,000 mAh lithium-ion battery and is equipped with 67W turbocharging capabilities. During varied usage scenarios including gaming, video streaming, social media browsing, and photography, the battery lasted nearly a full day without requiring recharging. Fortunately, prolonged charging times are not a concern. It only took approximately 45 minutes to completely charge the device from 20%. This rapid charging capability is commendable, especially considering the extensive functionality the device offers throughout the day. In addition to its impressive battery performance, the X6 Pro features dual SIM card support, an IR blaster for remote control functionality, and comprehensive connectivity options including Bluetooth 5.4, 5G, Wi-Fi 6E, GPS, and NFC. During our evaluation using PCMark's battery test, the X6 Pro achieved a remarkable score of 13 hours and 41 minutes. Similarly, in our video loop test, which involves looping a 1080p video at 50% brightness with no audio and airplane mode enabled, the device delivered an impressive result of 14 hours and 51 minutes. Conclusion. In summary, the Poco X6 Pro stands out as an excellent choice for everyday use, serving as a reliable daily companion, particularly for individuals who appreciate indulging in mobile entertainment such as movie streaming, photography, videography, and gaming.